Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at creating a title box in AutoCAD. I will assume you already know how to open AutoCAD at this point. So as we wait for this to open, just a couple things to remind you of. When we get in here, we'll just click Start Drawing. And remember that this is just essentially a big piece of graph paper where we plot the X coordinate first, then the Y coordinate. So we're going to go ahead and start out up here in the line tool section. And I'm going to plot 0, 0, press enter. And I'm going to plot 11, 0, press enter. Then from there I'm going to hit shift number 2, which would be the @ sign, 0, 8.5. From there, shift number 2, negative 11, 0, press enter. And to close this off, we're going to hit C, then enter. After we have that, we're going to pretend that this is our piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. It's turned sideways. We're going to put a 1/2 inch border around this now by offsetting the current lines we have. So up here under modify, we're going to choose offset. For distance, we're going to stick with 1/2 inch, and we're going to come in here and click all our sides of our paper and click inward. Okay, done with that. I'm going to hit escape. To trim up these corners here where it's a little messy, I'm going to come up and click trim. I'm going to select the entire drawing, and then I'm going to work my way around, just clicking the little parts I want to get rid of. Okay, so you only click stuff that you want to get rid of. Once I'm happy with that, I'll hit escape. I'll come back up here. I'm going to offset again, this time 0.625, and this is going to create my title box area down here at the bottom. While I'm offsetting, I'm going to hit escape and offset again to change my size from 0.625 to 3 inches. I'm going to check these horizontal or vertical lines and bring those inward. Hit escape. Zooming back out with my scroll wheel, I'm going to trim this yet again. Press enter, click, click to get rid of those pieces. Then finally down here we're going to add some info real quick. So we're going to start with the big A. We'll draw from corner to corner. The size will be 0.125. The text, John Champ High School. Press enter. A.L. Aldi. Make sure you put a comma. Leave go of the shift button. I'm going to select all that text, Control A. I want to move it middle center. Close. Next text box, corner to corner. Size 0.125. And I'm going to type in title, colon. Control A, justify middle left. And it's touching, let's zoom in here. It's touching that line, so I hit the home button on the keyboard. I'm going to space it over one space. Last text box, coming in here from corner to corner. Size 0.125. I'm going to hit a space, type name, colon, then I'm going to put my name. You put your name here, don't put my name. Space after the period. Backspace when it gives me that name F thing. I don't know what that's all about. Type in date, colon, Control A, middle left for that one. Zoom out there, take a look, close that out. If at some point you make one of these text boxes and it doesn't want to let you justify it, just close it, delete it, and try again. That's the easiest thing to do. Last step in this is saving it as an actual template. Application menu, save as, drawing template, press OK. Navigate to your documents. Create a folder if you haven't already done so for CAD. Call it title box, so name it title box. I already have one in here. I'll call mine title box 2 just for the demo. And then I'll hit save, and then you should get this dialog box here. If you do not, you messed up, you picked the wrong save button, whatever. But you need to get this and just press OK. Then we can close out a CAD, and you have your title box ready to go.